Hi guys, welcome back to this course. So today we are going to discuss a data structure problem which goes like this. So you are given an 8 by 8 LED panel, something which is used to display alphabets or numbers in maybe a lift or a display, and you need to find a data structure to store those values. So it's not given upfront that the interviewer is looking for the most efficient or smallest data structures, but you can assume it to be the case and you can even clarify it with the interviewer. So if we look for solution by going to the data types by Java, we can see that byte is 8-bit, so 1 byte, and short is 16-bit, int is 4-bit, long is 64-bit, float is 32-bit, double is again 64-bit. And Boolean, though it has only two values, the size isn't defined. It depends on virtual machine. So don't pick up 8 by 8 of Boolean array. That is not the solution. And char is again 16-bit. So coming back to a problem, so basically we are having an 8 by 8 matrix. So this is 8 and even the bottom is 8. And now you need to find the most efficient data structure to store it. If you just say 8 by 8 of integer, so basically if we take int of 8 by 8 and every int is 4 bytes, you are basically using up 64 into 8, or yeah, 32 into 64, so that many bits. Okay, so you need to be careful about your answer here. So if we see the size of int, it's actually 32-bit, which is 4 bytes. So okay, 1 second. So 4 bytes into 8 by 8. So which is a lot of memory space. What we are looking for is the smallest or the most efficient way. So how you can, so one answer is take a byte, okay, one byte type, and take a 1D array of 8 bytes. Now you must be wondering how we are going to store 8 by 8 information in a one direction array or a unidirectional array. So basically we will have something like byte 8. Now this byte 8 would be our, you can say, the rows. Okay, they will classify our rows, and each bit inside this byte, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, each bit inside this byte would be our rows. So this is our rows, generally classified by m cross n. So to store the value, we are going to do an AND or an OR operation. So to store the value, we will do an OR so that it stores. We are going to use the bitwise OR. So basically, if you say 0, 1 position has to be set as 1 or as eliminated, because this is an LED panel, then we will say byte or our array of the row which is 0 or with 1. So this is 1 and this is OR by the position that is given. So this is basically our X or M, and this is basically our Y or N. So using this 1 which is being shifted, we can store this value as 1. So here we are going from the opposite side. So basically this will be our indexes. So 8 positions here and 8 positions vertically. So this is how you answer the most efficient data structure in Java to store 8 by 8 LED panel. The same a solution actually holds true for any other language as long as you have the byte data type. So this is it for this video. If you are having any doubts, please leave them in the forum below and we will try our best to help you. See you in the next one.